With the SmartThings app, you can effortlessly control various aspects of your Samsung TV, from adjusting the volume to launching apps and switching between inputs. Before you begin trying to control your TV from your smartphone, make sure that you've added your TV to SmartThings as a device. If you haven't, open the SmartThings app on your mobile device, navigate to the Devices tab, and tap the plus icon. And then Add under the Samsung Devices heading. Follow the provided instructions to add your TV. Once connected, select your TV from your devices. Verify your device to connect. An on-screen remote will appear. The options available will vary depending on the device and its status. Here, the TV is off. Let's turn it on. The virtual remote looks a lot like your physical remote, but with a few extra cool features to play with. The top half of the remote has some basic functions, like a power button, quick settings, voice assistant, and navigation. There's also a search feature to find titles from a wide library of content. In the lower section, you can find a customizable grid. This will include the rest of the typical remote functions, like volume, channel, mute, and guide buttons. These all work the same way they would on your physical remote. You can also swipe the lower section to see more pages with colored buttons, a number pad, and app shortcuts. You can long press in this grid to move, remove, or add any of these buttons and apps. If you pull down the remote, you'll have access to a whole host of quick access controls. In the Home tab, you'll find quick access to some apps and curated content. In the Ambient tab is a fast way to customize your TV's ambient mode. Art, photographs, information, and more are available to enhance your living space. For quick access to all these convenient features, add this device as a shortcut to your home screen.